Hello, it's about Joshua. Within my video, I teach people how to solve different computer problems. So within this video, we're going to be learning how to solve DNS error issue. So let's get started. So what is DNS? DNS stands for Domain Name System. This system translates every name a person is searching for on the browser. It translates it to our IP address. And this IP address is the one the computer understands and locate that person to a specific website what they are looking for on the internet. So this DNS, if you don't understand me well, I say that this DNS is a domain name system. It is made to translate every human readable name to our IP address, because this name is what human understand. But this IP address is the one the computer understand. The computer cannot understand this readable name, but they only understand this IP address. So when you read a domain within your browser, the DNS will translate it to an IP address, and this IP address is the one the computer understand and locate the person to that specific website what they are looking for on the internet. So when there is an error in your DNS, there will be no connection to the internet. There will be an error in your connection to the internet. So to fix this, there are two steps in doing that. The first one is that we are going to flush the DNS system, and the second one is to reset our DNS system. So let's get started. The first way to solve this issue is to just go to your search bar and search for command prompt or CMD, and you will see a command prompt within your search bar. All you need to do is just to come to this command prompt, right click on it, go to run as administrator, select that and select yes. So now a box will appear to you. Within this box, all you need to do is just to put rp config, the leave space, and / flush flush DNS and click enter. So now it says successfully. So you are successfully flush your DNS. So the next step is for us to go and set our DNS within the DNS setting. So now to do this, all you need to do is just to tap Windows plus arrow, then a box will appear to you. Put ncpa.cpl and click enter, ncpa.cpl and click enter. So now you will see a box will appear to you. You will see Wi-Fi and internet. If you are using your internet cable, then you can click on this. But if you are using Wi-Fi connection like me, you can come to the Wi-Fi connection, right click on that Wi-Fi and come down to properties. So now a box will appear to you again. You will see different connection. All you need to do is just to go to your internet protocol version 4, select it. If you select it, you will see that as for you, it will be automatically select to obtain DNS server address automatically. But for this video, I want you to go to use the following DNS server address. Okay, we're going to put in our preferred DNS server. So we're going to put in 1.1.1.1. Then the next one come down to our alternate DNS server and put in 1.0.0.1 and click on OK. Click on OK again. So now you have set your DNS server. All you need to do is just restart your computer and go back on the internet and browse for every website you are trying to search for on the internet. Thank you for watching my video. Once again, I'm Joshua. I teach people how to solve different computer problems. So if this is the first time watching my video, all you need to do is just to subscribe, like, and click that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.